How to install Movie Maker free version. It's safe, 100% safe. I'll be putting a download link in the description below. So, application. Let's see how much space. I'll go. This got 3.72 gigabyte free of 112 gigabyte. I need to care of that. And so if you see this, don't care of it. It's just fake. And so check mark this only. This is a Movie Maker. So yeah, we're installing the Movie Maker. And so wait for this to be done. So I'll just pause it. So it was done. Okay, so it was done. So now you have installed the Movie Maker. So go to search. And I put my test bar up because I like it to be like that. So MOVIO. And now you see Movie Maker. So open it, and then Movie Maker is opened. And there's lots of things to add. And you can press here to add a video or something. Like example of this video, I want to edit. And so you see a kind of Windows 7 load here. And it's just nothing. It's just like that. Yep. This is like Windows 7. It's like the Windows 7 tool. So the caption is like, it adds text so you can move it. So yeah. Hope you'll like and subscribe for this load to be done.